Do you know where all your photos are and are they safe? I bet many of your clients are in a similar situation. Hi, I'm Mel from More Organised, based in Scotland.
And hi, I'm Amanda Littlecott from Clear Bubble Professional Photo Organising. Based in London, we are both certified photo managers through the Photo Managers Organisation, the world's leading educational community into the rapidly growing field of photo management. The word is out about professional photo organising and how we can help our clients rediscover their memories. With such a diverse opportunity from printed to digital, from gift creation to restoration, and telling our family stories, the opportunity is out there to be taken. Whether you are seeking to diversify your business or change full-time into this exciting new specialism, photo organising and management is a thriving and growing industry that you can take advantage of.
In our session, we'll open your eyes to the world of photo organising and all the opportunities that it would bring to your business. We'll explain exactly what photo management is, the size of the opportunity, and what photo organising means to us. As well as sharing with you some potential ideas on how to get started and introduce you to our workflow approach. With 1.5 trillion photos due to be taken in 2022, photos aren't going away.
We look forward to seeing you there. And what I'm looking forward to at the conference is meeting everyone and getting to know even more about our amazing industry. And what about you, Mel?
Well, what I'm looking forward to is just the opportunity of all of us getting back together again in person and meeting up with our colleagues from around the UK and further afield, and the chance to talk a little bit about photo organising too.